Hello, I'm Lexi, your budget-friendly buddy, rounding up the best finds that you can buy off Amazon for under $50. It's summertime, or at least in the Northern Hemisphere. Sorry to my Southern Hemisphere friends, but that means you might be traveling, whether you're taking an extended vacation or having a staycation. Every single item on this list is something that will hopefully come in very handy. Now, I have personally vetted every single product on this list. None of this is sponsored. I got you. Links to all of the latest products and pricing is in the description. So drum roll, please. Let's get to it. You're on vacation, that means you're gonna take a lot of photos. Now, you might have a slightly more basic phone with only one camera on the back. Rather than upgrading your phone to something with 2 or 3 cameras, well, you can spend $39 on this. It's the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit, and it comes with not only an ultra wide, but also unscrew it, and this is a macro lens. Look at that! You can take close-ups of your food, flowers, and all that beautiful stuff you just want to get up close and personal with. And the ultra wide is perfect for beautiful vistas, landscapes, and it's so simple. It works with Android and iOS. It simply clips right on over your existing camera lens. And yeah, even if you have a dual lens phone, just clip this over the 1x or the main wide camera, and it works great. Not only do you get the lens itself, but you also get this. It's a little clip-on LED light. It has 3 levels of intensity. You can, I guess, put it on here. You can illuminate your selfies even better. You can even use it as a little bit of an emergency light because it does flash too, which is pretty neat. You also get, doesn't end there, a carrying case, a lanyard, and this is actually to attach to the actual lens itself, so you can just hang it around your neck when it's not on your phone. A charging cable for that aforementioned LED light. $39? You can't go wrong. What's a vacation without music? And what's music without a Bluetooth speaker? But this ain't any normal Bluetooth speaker. This is the EWA mini Bluetooth speaker. Just look at it. It's 6.2 ounces. It's tiny. It's only $18 and it actually sounds really good for that price. It gets loud too. It's moving because the bass is so strong. Thank you for attending Lexi's beach party. Tickets will be $250 available on Ibiza. And it's not just a speaker. For $18, this also acts as a remote shutter for your phone. So open the camera app, double click this button, and you can take a selfie. And it doesn't just stop there. It also can connect to your Windows PC or laptop and act as a speaker over USB. I love this thing, and it's so cute. Just look at it. So you've been out sightseeing all day and your phone is in desperate need of a recharge. But wait, you're an Apple Watch user and so does your Apple Watch. Well, this is the iWalk portable charger with a magnetic integrated Apple Watch charger right there. Doesn't end there though. Also has an included lightning cable, so you don't need to bring any chargers or any other cables if you don't want to. There is also a lightning in port on the side and a USB-C in-out port as well, so you can also charge up your Android device. The capacity is 9,000 milliampere hours, so that's good for a couple of charges of your Apple Watch, or depending on the size and capacity of your iPhone or Android device, could be 2-3 charges maybe in this. I love it. It's so compact, it sits in my pocket, and it's only $46. But if you don't want to spend that much money, because I getcha, I'm a cheapskate too, maybe you don't have an Apple Watch because you're on an Android. Never fear, there is a $29 version as well that is just without the Apple Watch charger. Next up we have a piece of cardboard. No, just kidding. This is the Airglow Flex Flap. if you travel a lot, or you just stay at home and want to watch movies, but you've always got that awkward situation of, I don't know how to position my phone, I don't have a stand for it, this is your solution. It is a flexible, moldable, and very bendable piece of board. You can arrange your phone in a number of different configurations. It can be a tablet as well, depending on the size. Look at this, you can just pop your phone like that. Maybe it's on the tray table on the airplane. You can even hook it into some sort of configuration like this and hook it into your tray back on the plane so your phone has a place to rest. Look, it is so simple, but it's so genius, and that's why I love it. So by now you're probably thinking, Lexi, I need a place to store all of my gadgets, all of this stuff that you're showing me. Aha, never fear, I got you. I just scared my dog. This is the Matine travel backpack. This is actually $29 for this particular color. But why this backpack, you ask? Well, let me tell you, it's designed for tech first and foremost. Not only is there a USB-A port here, so you can attach your charging cable and charge your phone, your devices, whatever have you, but inside, there is also a USB-A the other end, and this can plug into your power bank or charging station to keep everything juiced up on the go. But you're like, I got other valuables. Don't worry about that, because this back pocket is also nicely hidden away, fully zippered, and it stays nice and secure against your body when you're wearing it. And pretty much all the pockets are padded. So at this price point, it's really hard to find a lot of padding, especially for your laptop, your tablet, and your other delicates. So I had to find one for you that was extra secure. And bonus points, it doesn't look fugly. $29, you can't go wrong. Now, you don't want all your valuables to get stolen, and maybe you're traveling on your own and you just want a little bit of extra peace of mind. This is a portable travel alarm. And what you do is you basically pull these prongs out like so, and you insert them into the door of wherever you're staying. And as soon as these little prongs come apart, and you can also use this as a personal alarm too if you're, traveling alone and you're concerned about personal safety. All right, ready? Hold your ears. Oh, that's loud. I'm not gonna, subject your eardrums to any more because it's 90 decibels of deafening. But it's pretty handy when you're traveling. And my poor dog was startled. Sorry, Monty. Now, obviously, this is not a lock for your hotel room or your belongings, but it is a good deterrent. And at $10, it's a little bit of extra peace of mind. A lot of people swear by packing cubes when they travel, but that ain't me. I love to do things the quick and easy way with a portable vacuum sealer and 4 travel-sized bags to compress your clothes, your shoes, everything in your luggage so you can get way more in there. Let's see how much will fit in one of these medium-sized bags. Pair of shorts, hoodie, there's another hoodie, and there's some shorts. And I reckon there's a bit more room in there. Let's sneak in one more. Monty, lie down. Seal it up. All sealed. Release the cap. Put this cap on nice and tight. It's shrinking. Look at that. Look how much space I just saved. Seal this up. There you go. And here is one I prepared earlier. My suitcase is now so much more condensed thanks to these packing bags. So how much for this space-saving technology, you ask? Well, $36. And for that, you get 4 bags, 2 medium and 2 small, a DC pump, and what else do you need? Clothes, I guess. When you're traveling, it's really the creature comforts that you miss the most. And I'm not gonna lie, for me, one of those things is a bidet. But now I don't have to go without because this is a portable, compact, travel-sized bidet for $32 and it comes with 2 different intensities. You can picture what it does, but let me show you, just in case you're not sure. Warmer water, probably for your comfort. Screw this on. Now it runs off 2 AAA batteries, which are included. All right. Oh, this went the wrong way. It went the wrong way. Oh no, I just spilled it all over myself. I wasn't expecting it to. But you know, it's not a bad strength, and that was just the low one. Maybe next time I will get a bucket just to demonstrate that. So there you have it, some of my favorite travel picks for under 50 bucks, but it doesn't stop there. Once you're back from vacation, maybe you want to spruce up your home office setup, go check out that video, which you can find in the description or floating around in the ether. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought. Did you give these a yay or a nay? Leave me a comment down below. See ya!